Tabaka is one of the national dishes of Georgia, and I'm not talking about the state in the American South, I'm talking about the Republic of Georgia in the Caucasus Mountains. Traditionally, it's made with a game hen that is spatchcocked and fried in clarified butter. If you can fry it, why not grill it? There's something very appropriate about doing chicken tabaka on Project Smoke. In traditional Greek mythology, the Republic of Georgia was where Prometheus gave man the gift of fire. Tabaka refers to a game hen or other poultry marinated in a citrus, wine, and cinnamon marinade. And you start by taking one strip of orange zest, one strip of lemon zest, one strip of lime zest. The zest, of course, is the oil-rich outer rind of the citrus fruit. Next, cut the citrus fruit in half. Juice the fruit. There you go. Beautiful. Now add the juice to the citrus zest. Then you'll add thinly sliced onion, dry white wine. The Republic of Georgia is an important wine-producing region. Then paprika, hot pepper flakes, brown sugar, a cinnamon stick, and fresh garlic. Pound the garlic a little bit with the side of a cleaver to release the flavor. Ditto for fresh ginger. In goes the ginger. Finally, salt, black pepper, and extra virgin olive oil. We'll give the mixture a stir and bring the marinade to a boil and reduce it to about half. Meanwhile, I'll show you how to spatchcock a chicken. Now, spatchcocking is the process of taking a whole bird, flattening it out so you can cook it in a grill without a lid. Using poultry shears or kitchen shears, cut out the backbone, first on one side, then the other side. You see the breastbone here. I'm going to cut through, then snap the chicken open, and run your thumbs down along the breastbone and snap the breastbone in half, pull out this piece of cartilage and pull out the breastbone. Now the chicken lies flat like a book. The last step, you want to just make a cut in this loose piece of skin area in the thigh region, a slit about an inch thick, and you'll pull one drumstick through. And then we'll make a slit on this side. Do the same thing. And this is your spatchcock chicken. Put it in a baking dish over ice. And here's the marinade that I cooled off. I'm going to pour the marinade over the chickens. Then you can just spread out the onions and flavorings and aromatics. It smells really nice, the citrus and wine and cinnamon. Marinate the chickens for at least 6 hours or as long as 24 hours. The longer, the richer the flavor. To cook the chicken tabaka, I'm using a Saber grill. It's an infrared grill with a sealed grate system, meaning that the dripping fat never comes in contact with the open flames. The result, no flare-ups. Here's what the chicken looks like after it's marinated for 24 hours. Great onion orange aroma. Place the chicken on the grill grate. Always start it flesh side down. In the Republic of Georgia, they traditionally cook the bird under a grill press. I'm going to use a salt brick. close the grill lid and adjust the burner controls to obtain a moderate temperature, about 325 degrees. Cooking time will be about 30 minutes per side. You'll give each bird a quarter of a turn after 15 minutes. It's been about a half an hour. Chicken is done on one side. So take off the salt bricks. Then you want to turn the chicken over and cook it on the skin side. Another 20 to 30 minutes and we'll be in business. Birds should be done, so let's take a look. Oh man, that is beautiful. Take off the bricks. They look done, but with poultry, you always want to check the internal temperature. You're looking for 165 degrees. Okay, good. And here is your chicken tabaka. How great does that look? So tender, it just comes right apart. So I'll cut myself a nice wing section. Super moist. And chicken tabaka is traditionally served with a sour plum or sour rhubarb sauce called tekmali and fresh dill. And you know the drill. Let's see how we did. Piece of chicken, the tekmali sauce. Oh man. Chicken, incredibly moist. That wonderful citrus cinnamon flavor. The tekmali is tart, the dill flavor. This is really out of this world. Chicken tabaka, from the Republic of Georgia to Project Smoke in Solvang, California, to your grill.